To browse the internet on a Samsung Smart TV, start by pressing the Home or Smart Hub button on your remote to access the pre-installed web browser, which is denoted by a globe icon. Alternatively, you can find it in the App section of your TV's menu. If the browser is not pre-installed, you can search for it by clicking the search icon on the home screen, typing web browser, and selecting the Samsung web app to install it. Once the browser is launched, click on the Search tab, and a virtual keyboard will appear, allowing you to type in the website you want to visit. You can also use the featured or bookmark options to access your favorite websites directly. For a more convenient browsing experience, consider connecting a wireless keyboard and mouse to your TV. By following these simple steps, you can easily browse the internet on your Samsung Smart TV.